Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Post-traumatic stress disorder is an anxiety disorder that can result from a traumatic event. Living with PTSD is challenging, but learning more about the condition might help you to ask questions and find the help you need. To learn more, visit our website at www.asalliance.co or call 684-699-0272.
Skipper Tuna is the healthier choice for you. It's nutritious tuna flakes, packed in easy open cans. Get hooked on the great taste of Skipper Tuna today.
Pisikoa se so manga a inga sa no foi tato pisikoa i le se fulu tasi vai aso ma vai ati nei au fia ngai ai mo lato o onga ia a inga lea o le a ngai ai tato pisikoa ia mo le lua tau sanga lana au nanga nio tau pa ia ma nio tau sala ia lua tu ia pa tinio tau sala nei sasi se ngana ia una vele ma lapi o tato mafutanga i le nei tai au ta lofa lava. Tai o manuia. Ma lo le soi foi mo ma lau lin ni tai a.
This is a day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Talofa lava, good morning. Distinguished guests, government officials, community leaders and representatives, school principals, and our dedicated trainees. On behalf of Pisikoa Samoa, it is my sincere pleasure to warmly welcome you all to this momentous occasion. A special welcome and acknowledgement of our esteemed dignitaries. We are honored to have with us today the representative of the U.S. Embassy in Samoa, Chargé d'Affaires Daniel Tarapaki. We are also honored to have the presence of government officials, the Honorable Iono, Dr. Alec Ekiroma, the Minister of the Ministry of Education and Culture. We also have the presence of the Honorable Tila Fono David Hunter, the Associate Minister for the Ministry of Women, Community and Social Development. Thank you for joining us today to honor this dedicated 95th cohort of volunteers to serve in Samoa. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our government partners, community representative, and host family members. Your presence indeed uplifts the spirit of today's gathering. Finally, warm greetings and good evening to families, friends, and loved ones tuning in live from abroad. Thank you for joining us. It means a lot to us all, especially to our trainees. Today we gather to witness our newest cohort of volunteers take their oath. Today we honor a special group of individuals who have answered the call to service. With everyone's presence, this is a moment of pride for us and a blessing for this special occasion. We are truly honored to welcome you all.
Ia, e peira wana maasani tātou tangata nuk Samoa. So se wha mua ngala wha penei, e mua la wana tātou tā pā, lea tua mula tina ngalu. Ai meise, tātou wha taia no na anga le lei. O mo whaina tātou tau nuk mai mnei asu. I o lea na wha pia fwoi na whai, e wala awa tuai i a tātou Pisikoa Faraile, o le ari Pisikoa, le ari whātou tō, le ai Faraile, tātou Pisikoa Faraile, ia Naia, ma Pisikoa Faraile, ia Mackenzie, mo le taʻitaʻine o tātou sinasau ni ngā lotu pupu.
Before we begin our ceremony, let us take a moment to reflect and give thanks for the achievements we celebrate and for the community we share. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Naya to lead us with words of encouragement, followed by Ms. Mackenzie, who will lead us in a moment of prayer. Ms. Naya, please grace us with your insightful words and enlighten us with your wisdom.
Talofa lava. Awa o ia tātou te lelei ai. Ua na whaia e tasi e sa whaalua. Sana soloia fo'i pā vailoto sa vailuaina ai. O lo tātou lelenga ua ia keriso. Tatalo mo le anganga paia. Anganga paia e. A whio mai. E te lotolotoi I le tapuainga a whai, ma le anganga ma walalo te le lava. Ona o Yesu, Amene. Tato ifo ma tatalo. Elele, elele, elele lava o lea tua. Lea tua mamalu, lea lu atua sili sili ese. Ololele, malo sili sili ese. Ua mato maua mai ailene aso. Ole aso sa atofaina, ole aso sa tamate. he matau te maua. O lea, ua malo pule, ua whawhatai I lo alofa, whawhatai I lo angalele. Whawhatai manuia I mato uma ua poto poto I le ne taiao. Ua iai le malo o Samoa, le malo o Amerika, o paanga mauo. Whawhatai I lo whaatasi mai, I le sepulu vaiaso, o iai I aonga. E tele whangata, whaafitauli o le matonu ma le atu vale. Ai whaafetai sa iai lava le toa pile mu o oile atua. Whaafetai lo anganga paia se whaa whaingofie nisi mea sai whaingata. Ua matonu ai le matonu I nisi o taimi. O le anganga paia lo mato beso soani sililea. Whawhatai I lo alo pele mo le whaalo latanga ona o matou o tangata angasala. Tomau pea le viinga o le whawhatai whaamanu ma le whaane tanga ia te oe le atua o mea umalava. O matou sese ma angasala whaamole mole I mangalo I lo toto. Haia ia sukeriso. O oe o le atua mato te ala saili ai I manuia. Ia e whaamania iai mato uma ua I totonu o le nei malu. O fuanga ma pule kalame o le nei aso. Ia awa li tia e lo anganga paia e manuia ai tawalumanga uma. Awa nei iai ni wangata, ia iai whangofie, ia iai lo file mu, ma ia iai lo manuia. Tatou ma oe se ia iu le aso. Ia sukiriso ua ala atu ai la matou tatalo. Amene, amene, amene.
Ia, whawhatai le grupu iwanima mo le teiteina tātou whengalotu ni tai au. Ia, tai tonu o lea ua te elangi lo tātou tālasanga. Ia, awalo tātou whaamoe, ni whapenana sa mauli nei aso. Ai tusai mo tātou pōkalame, pe asisila ni le pōkalame, o lea o tātou wo I le taimi. Ia, o sau noanga whaapitoa, mai tātou paanga, ia po sui o tātou malo.
Thank you, Ms. Naya, for those inspiring words of encouragement, and Ms. Mackenzie for that beautiful prayer. Now we have come to some of the formalities of our program for the partners' remarks for this occasion.
Walau tulunga na ang whaaloalo, muamua, lo fionga, ai ono, Dr. Alec Ekiroma, Ministawa Onga Mananu, mo lausau noanga. Honorable Iono Dr. Alec Ekiroma, Minister of Education and Culture, for your remarks. Lovionga Iono.
E whatalo whātu na mauru mana pa ia wā whiale nei tae ao. Lau sunga te tai o sauninga. Lau whiunga Daniel Tarapaki, Charity Affairs. Lau whiunga I le Minister Langolango, Te Lafono, David Hunter. Jeannie Wilderson, Patron Sigler Officer Pisikoa I Samoa nei. Ia mana maru na ba ole au bala au lia. Ma li I matamaitai o team Iwa Sule mo Pisikoa. Whatolo atu pa ia mana malu o tae au. Ma le so, mangalo lo leo o maurunga, o maru tauwe I le nei tae au na tofa. I tau tono le nā wa maea, o na pailango e pufonga o tātou aso samwhang tau tae au. O pa ia mamalu o tu maurunga ai le so. O te manatu o la nunu atu ia whaatini o te maitai, pa ia mamalu wa atua mai nei. O le whatu e le ngae I sau sufi, tūlou le tūlanga. Whaftai le tua o mawai atu, pasa talingatā, ua fotu mālama o tātou a tātou tau le leia. Vi ailona anga le lei le mawai mo Samoa. E whaatai la se whaamatalanga, tau ina o whape atu, mālo a fua, ai lao ua maua I le nei tai au. Mālo le soifua manuia, wha mālo le pale tautua. O la li liuloa I le nganga whaperetania mo tātou mālo. It is a privilege and great to be here today as the Minister of Education and Culture. Your Excellency Daniel Tarabaki, Charge d'Affaires, U.S. Embassy of Samoa, to Samoa, the Associate Minister of Women's and Community Development, Telefono David Hunter, Jeannie Wilderson, Country Director, Pisikoa and of the Samoa Office, distinguished guests, 95th Group of Pisikoa volunteers, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to return to education. I have been a teacher, an educator in universities in New Zealand before I returned to Samoa and became the Vice Chancellor of the National University of Samoa for 3 years. I took a brief respite from my education to head the Ministry of Health at the invitation of the Minister of Health. But it is good to be back to education because I know that education is the key to development of our families,